Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to one more amazing session from Infinity Lane. How are you? This is Dr. Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss about the most expected questions from the solutions on colligative properties. From this particular chapter, definitely you are going to get one question. It could be from any subtopic. So get ready. So this solutions on colligative properties I made into three parts. And many of the students are expected and they requested me personally in the previous class also little bit concept as well as the problems has to be studied, right? So today's class of interest is all going to be concept along with the question and how the question is answered based on that sequence of the concepts. NTA, who is that NTA? What is okay? So Sandeep Kumar, Sai Kumar, Mahesh Rathod, good afternoon to you all. Welcome to the session. So in this NEET 2025 most expected 1000 question series, we started 10 days ago and we completed structure of atom, periodic classification, chemical bonding, equilibrium, chemical equilibrium, ionic equilibrium, thermodynamics, and we completed general organic chemistry. Next chapter की करवाएगी. So आज हम पेश करने वाले solutions. After that again we'll go into organic and we'll come back to the physical as well. Nisha, hi, good afternoon. Aish, good afternoon. Hirishita, good afternoon. Nisha, good. So that's the spirit everybody should have, and let's see the oath of the day, crack your NEET. So when we start a class, every day we take a oath. Every day you should have that oath, crack your NEET examination and book your NEET, book your medical seat. So when you prepare well, definitely medical seat is going to be your byproduct, है ना? Okay, and for that everybody attend the classes without any fail. Every day my class is going to be 1:30 p.m. My class is going to be 1:30 p.m. and solve the questions along with me, and whenever you are solving the questions, you may give a correct answer, you may give a wrong answer. When you give a correct answer, that's well and good. If you give a wrong answer, learn from us. So every question we are going to discuss with a proper solution, and a detailed solution will be given for that question, and simple tricks are also will be given to solve a bigger questions. है ना? Altamash, NTA you given name. Altamash name is very good. Now Sandeep Kumar, right? Okay, so please attend the class with a pen and paper, write along with me, and simply like the sessions and share with your friends and subscribe to Infinity Learn NEET channel. And in the Google Play Store, you are going to have NEET Infinity Learn app, and you can download it. You can have a live sessions, mock test, create your own test, 24/7 doubt resolutions. It's full free of cost. And when you are preparing something, it is required to just learn and know how you are doing and where exactly you stand. For that, a proper assessment platform is required. For that, NEET 2025 All India Test Series Pack is scientifically designed by Infinity Land. There you are going to see 27 AITS examination, which may 13 unit test, 4 part test and 10 grand test based on simple NEET pattern, and fully NEET syllabus based भी है. 20 online NEET full syllabus mock test भी है, and 25 NEET topic wise previous year questions, and 3 physics chemistry books along with the video solutions on the app, and detailed solutions for every test, for every question, and your performance is given a rank along with the Sri Chaitanya benchmarking. Okay, 500 तक आने लगेगा. I can promise you, when you follow these Infinity Learn YouTube sessions, you are going to clear the NEET examination. Yes, you can clear the NEET examination and you can be a topper as well, because we are not compromising the content, right? And you have to attend the class without any fail and follow the instructions given by all eminent faculty from the Infinity Learn, right beta? And this AITS All India Test Series pack cost 5,999 था. When you apply YouTube 50 off coupon code, you are going to get 2999. Description mein link diya, you just click it once and you just follow this Infinity Len All India NEET Test Series Pack, right? Home delivery क्या है, ऑनलाइन का चीज है. And this one will be home delivered. Hrishita, right? So let's go into the details. It's very important better. And don't say it is a promotional slide, it is an advice slide, you can take it. Now solutions, in that solutions, what are the subtopics? So questions as well as topics, we are going to take it out, right? So types of solutions are there, and methods of expression of concentrations are there, and vapor pressure is there, Raoult law is there, colligative properties are there, abnormal molecular mass is there, and want Hoff factor is there. These are the major areas where you are going to get a question. And when you talk about the priorities here, you are going to have colligative properties, abnormal molecular mass, want Hoff factor, and Raoult law is included in colligative properties. And of course, this colligative property is interlinked with vapor pressure. And when you do with the methods expressing concentration, you are going to do questions from the mole concept and stoichiometry, and it is connected to every chapter. Fine, bacho, so let's start. Here, types of solutions, you have a solute plus a solvent is going to be a solution, and fast recapture about the total concept. It is not a lesson, it is a concept review, it is happening. Everybody, just give a thumbs up and fire emoji. Sai Kumar, if a solution has two components, one solute and solvent, is called a binary solution. Three components, it is called a ternary solution. And what kind of solution is determined on the basis of solvent. If the solvent is water, it is said to be an aqueous solution. And based on the physical state, solutions are classified into solid, liquid, and gaseous solutions. And it depends upon the state of the solvent decides the state of the solution. Mind it. Bacho, you are going to see among the different types of solutions, you have gaseous solution, liquid solution, solid solution. The solvent is going to be the respective nature of the solution. Hai na? Right. Now, if the gas and gas, mixture of oxygen and nitrogen, air is also a gaseous solution. And liquid and gas, chloroform mixture with nitrogen gas. When the chloroform is evaporated in the nitrogen gas or in the air, you can say. Solid in gas, camphor sublimate in air, and you can say liquid in liquid, ethanol in water, and solid in liquid, sucrose dissolved in the water, and gas and solid solution of hydrogen uniformly mixed with the palladium, right? And liquid in solid amalgamation, sodium and mercury, and liquid and solid copper dissolved in gold. So alloys is an example, solid in solid type. So these are required for NEET examination. My question, to understand a question, you need to understand the type of solution as well. Then only it is based on that type of solution we can apply a particular logic. Understand? Ha, yes. And moving ahead, aqueous and non-aqueous solution, we already discussed. Solution prepared by using water as a solvent, and if it is an alcohol solvent, and a benzene is a solvent, like that. And talking about the concentration terms, what is the meaning of concentration? The amount of the solute present in the given solution is expressed by using a terminology. That is called concentration term. Pehle, it is percentage method and weight percentage. You can see this can tell you what is the formula of that. So weight percentage is equal to weight of solute upon weight of solution. You can say solution into 100, that's simply percentage. And also you can say weight volume percentage, W by V. So weight of solute upon volume of solution into 100. So it is used for liquid and solid dissolved in the liquid version kind of solutions. Understand? And moving ahead, so students, if you want me to pause this, I can pause while you are writing the formulas. So don't feel that why sir is going like an express train. This is not actually a concept class, rather I would say it is a series of questions we need to discuss. So it is a NEET most expected 1000 question series. So as the students initially requested me, whenever physical chemistry concept is going on, you guys requested me to explain little bit of concept, then problems based on that. So by taking the students consideration, students request consideration, I have given a little bit concept and get ready for the questions that you need to do. So fine, everybody, you like it? Altamash, Sandeep Kumar, Nishab, Aish, Suresh Kumar, Rishita. Right. So let's talk more about this. And volume percentage when liquid is dissolved in liquid. Yeah, Sai Kumar. So it is going to be. So the amount of solute present in 100 milliliters of solution. So volume percentage is equal to volume of solute upon volume of solution into 100. Nisha, good. That follow up and kind of interaction is required, bacho. And moving ahead, ppm molarity, will complete molarity and mole fraction and normality and go to the ppm and molality and relation between all the things, exceptional relations also I am going to give you. Yeah, Aisha, very good. So stick on to the chart box, everybody. So instructions will come. Sometimes you are going to get little gift also. Okay, and get ready. So molarity is capital M, number of moles of solute present in a liter of solution, that is called molarity. So molarity is equal to number of moles upon volume. So weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V when it is expressed in milliliters. Okay, so that molarity is equal to number of moles upon volume. Number of moles is equal to molarity into volume. Okay, so number of millimoles is equal to molarity into volume into 1000, volume in milliliter by 1000. Okay, so milliliter concept is important and millimole concept is also important to do that. And as temperature is increased, what happen? Molarity decreases क्योंकि volume increases as temperature is increased. Fine. And talking about a molar solution is the one which contain 1 mole. 1 gram mole means 1 mole of solute present in a liter of solution, and 1 millimole of solute is present in 1 milliliter of solution. Okay, it is also called as molar solution, 1 molar solution. So let's talk about a molar solution. A number won't be given in the question. It is mentioned a molar solution means the molarity is going to be 1. And you can say a semi-molar solution means a molarity is going to be 0.5. And NEET examination में ये काफ़ी important है बेटा, NEET examination में बहुत important है. Okay, and also you can say decimolar solution means molarity is equal to 0.1 molar. And centimolar solution is equal to 0.01 molar, and it is said to be m by 2, it is said to be m by 10, it is said to be m by 100. Got it? These terminologies are very important. Everybody please make a note of it. Jaldi. Normality भी ऐसे मान लो and molality भी ऐसे दे सकते हैं. Aish, any doubt, बच्चों? Moving ahead, ये millimolar mean to say 0.0001. I mean to say m by 1000. Okay, or you can say m to the power minus 3. They are commonly used it, right? And talking about The mass of the solute can also be determined, some useful relations, and everybody make a note of it. This is super important for NEET examination करने का. Okay, so कैसे ये super important हो सकता है? It is going to be number of millimoles of the solute present in V milliliter of solution is equal to M into V. Okay, and also number of moles of solute present in V milliliter of solution is equal to MV upon 1000, and number of moles of solute present in V liter of solution is equal to MV. And you can say when a solution is dilated and its molarity decreases, you need to have dilution law. For that dilution law, you can say when solution is diluted, M1V1 is equal to M2V2. This is very important. This is very important. Understand? When the solutions are mixed, yeah, that was should be given here, right? Okay. Anyways, when the solutions are mixed, what could be the formula? Aish, what could be the formula? Sai Kumar, Nisha, Altamash, Rishita. Fine. Let's move ahead. And volume of water to be added for the dilution. When it is come to M1V1 is equal to M2V2, volume of the water should be added is going to be V2 minus V1. Yes, सीधा ऐसे निकाल सकते हैं. That is equal to M1 minus M2 of V1 upon M1. That is very important, and you can directly put that and you can directly add this. That is called volume of water to be added. Fine. Now, moving ahead, some more questions are required, some more concepts are required to solve the questions. Molarity is equal to that, we know it, and weight of volume percentage is given, weight volume percentage is given. This is very important. So, molarity is equal to 10 into weight volume percentage by gram molecular weight. This is very important formula. Once you know the formula, na, you can apply the concept, I can solve the questions as well. Right? Any doubt? Sai Kumar, Bacho, Altamash, Rishita, Nisha. And moving ahead, array, how many formulas? This is 7th formula for molarity. And talking about 8th formula, when weight percentage is given, that is equal to, molarity is equal to 10 into density into weight by weight percentage upon gram molecular weight. You can say this D is equal density, in the place you can say specific gravity of the solution. A specific gravity of the solution can give you the molarity. Okay, so you all can able to hear me? You all can able to hear me? Sai Kumar, any doubt? Yeah. Now moving ahead, and this 8th point and 7th point are contradictory. This is given weight percentage. Previously weight volume percentage. There is a trap in the NEET examination. You feel that you did it well, but you may be getting a wrong answer. That's the reason why this formula recapture is given for the solutions. Right? Now, you can see it is a weight percentage. है ना? Perfect. Now moving ahead, for a mixture of two solutions, what is the meaning of that? There is a solution whose molarity is M1 and volume is V1, and mixed with molarity M2 and V2, you are going to get a mixture. So, what is the molarity of this? Molarity of the mixture is equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2 upon V1 plus V2, right? Fine. And 10th expression, when two solutions are titrated against each other as per the following equation. N1 moles of A plus N2 moles of B gives us M1 moles of C and M2 moles of D. You can simply use M1 V1 by N1 is equal to M2 V2 by N2. This is used for titration law. And talking about the normality, yes, it is just like a molarity. A normality is the other one we take into the consideration of normality. So normality and molarity दोनों में क्या फर्क पड़ता है? सिर्फ एक n फैक्टर फर्क पड़ता है. मोलारिटी में मोल्स इस्तेमाल किया, नॉर्मालिटी में नंबर ऑफ ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट्स इस्तेमाल किया. That's it. So the normality is equal to molarity into n factor bus, and it is going to be given as normality. So normality is equal to weight of the solute by gram equivalent weight into 1000 by V in milliliters. Now comes into the fact. Gram equivalent weight is equal to number of moles by n factor. Okay, gram molecular weight by n factor. What is the n factor? N is the valence factor. N is the valence factor. For an acid, N is going to be number of H plus given. For a base, that is a number of OH minus given. That everything we are going to discuss here. Okay, so let's talk about number of equivalents of a solute is equal to NV. That we know it. Number of milli equivalents is equal to NV when V is in milliliters and V is in liters. That is the difference between these two. Everything we will discuss. So I am Suresh. I promised you I am going to make you to comfortable and confident in chemistry. Okay, and the mass of solute, how do you calculate? That is nothing but normality into volume into gram equivalent weight. And also normality of mixture, जैसे आपको molarity है, ये normality भी है ऐसे. And N1 V1 plus N2 V2 upon V1 plus V2, and here V1 plus V2 is equal to total volume of the solution. मान लो ये solution का थोड़ा water भी add किया, so you have to take anything water you can add if condition is given. That's very important. Definitely you can have a question based on this particular concept in the NEET examination, students. And when Va ml of strong acid is normality is Na is mixed with Vb milliliters of base and normality of the base. So Na, Va, Nb, Vb. So what is going to be the scenario? If Na, Va is equal to Nb, Vp, I just want to say here, if Na, Va is equal to Nb, Vp, you can say solution is neutral. The solution is neutral. When the solution is neutral, the pH of the solution is going to be 7. If acid is dominated, I just want to say if Na, Va is greater than Nb, Vb, that you can say the solution is acidic. So H plus can be calculated. The concentration of H plus can be given as Na, Va minus Nb, Vb upon Va plus Vb. Now in this case, this H plus can give you insight in pH calculation. So this concentration term is very important for ionic equilibrium as well. Ready? Okay, if the reverse is given, if Na, Va is less than Nb, Vb, the solution is alkaline basic. So the normality with respect to the OH minus is equal to Nb, Vb minus Na, Va upon Va plus Vb. In this case, OH minus is got. Anushka Roy, it is basic. Where do you go? Anushka, get ready for the questions. So OH minus is given. From there you can calculate POH. From there pH plus POH is equal to 14. So the pH is equal to 14 minus POH. You can calculate the pH of this basic solution as well. Any doubt? Fine. Anushka Roy, are you there in the Saturday's class? Anushka, are you there in the Saturday's class? No, okay. You are here. Today you are here, but you have not responded in meanwhile, so I couldn't recognize you. Sorry. And whenever you are in the class, you keep talking to us so that the interaction can happen. So, all the best, my dear students. Nisha, Sai Kumar, come on. Now, normality and molarity interrelation. What is the relation between molarity and normality? Simple one thing. Acids, normality is equal to molarity into basicity. What is the meaning of basicity? Iska H plus ka hai. And for a base, normality is equal to molarity into acidity. That is nothing but number of OH minus ions given by the base. And for a salt, normality is equal to molarity into total charge. Total charge. It could be either positive charge or it could be either negative charge. And for an oxidizing agent or reducing agent, the normality is equal to molarity into total charge change in the oxidation state or number of electrons involved in the oxidation state. मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ आपको? Normality is equal to molarity into n factor. मान लो, this is very important, very important. ठीक है? Any doubts, बच्चों? So let's do some questions after molality also. Now moving ahead, for exact neutralization, weight of base Na V upon weight of gram equivalent weight of a base is equal to Na Va ml by 1000. Similarly, for the weight of an acid upon gram equivalent of an acid is equal to Nb V by ml upon 1000. So these formulas are used for titrations. These formulas are exactly useful for your titrations. Writing the formulas, how many formulas we have? Simply say percentage, molarity, molality, normality, mole fraction. 5 are there. But so far we have discussed near about 30 different formulas. Yeah. Questions for practice. Let me complete couple of slides, then I will come to the questions. Nisha, fine? Nisha, fine? Let's be patient. Okay. So in case of dilution, again N1V1 is equal to N2V2 as molarity do. I can understand your enthusiasm. I appreciate your enthusiasm. Wait for a minute so that we are going to provide you the questions. Okay. Molality, in case of molarity, we have volume of the solution. Here for the molality, it is going to be the number of moles of the solute present in a kg of solvent. Okay, for the kg of solvent, but we are not taking in the case of the solution here, and this is the super important formula. Molality is equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by volume weight of the solute solvent in grams. Okay. Anushka, right? Okay, fine. And here parts per million, just two are there, 2 more slides. Okay. It is just like a percent per million. For percent you multiply with 100, per million you multiply with a million. Million means 10 power 6, right? Right. Okay. Now some useful relations. Everybody take a pen and paper, write down. Molality and solubility is given here. So molality is equal to 10 into solubility upon gram molecular weight. So solubility is taken in grams of solute present in 100 grams of solvent. So it is an important, and molarity and molality are related as molality is equal to molarity into volume in liter upon weight of the solvent in kilograms. Yes, test series link is there. In the chat box, you just click the test series link and you can go ahead with that. Okay, and molarity and mole fraction is also given. The relations like this: molarity and mole fraction of the solute is equal to molality upon molality plus 1000 by molecular weight of the solvent. This is a very important expressions. Everybody please make a note of it. Take a snapshot. 3, 2, 1, click. Okay, and some more mole fraction. We discussed mole fraction, and you just see it is a solute. Its mole fraction is 1, and it is mixed with another solvent whose mole fraction is 2. A number of moles are 2. It is going to be solution. So mole fraction is the ratio of number of components to the one component to number of moles of a component to the total number of moles. So mole fraction of A is said to be XA is equal to NA by NB, and similarly mole fraction of B is equal to XB is equal to NB by NA plus NB, and sum of the mole fractions should be always equal to 1. Okay. And I just want to say which of the, one more important thing, I just want to give you a recapture about the NEET 2025 All India Test Series pack. In the chat box, the link is given. Everybody click it once and you just explore it, what exactly you are going to get. But one thing you don't forget, apply YouTube 50 off the coupon code, then only you are going to enjoy this discount. Otherwise the price is going to be this only, which is actually not. So this is the discounted price. Everybody click it and you can go ahead with that. Okay. Now I just want to say, before going for the question, you have temperature dependent. Temperature dependent. Okay, you have percentages, you have molarity, you have molality, you have normality, you have mole fraction. Carefully you see. Percentage depends, molarity depend, molality do not, and normality depend, mole fraction do not. So far, even in the CBSE, in the NEET examination, you are going to get the question based on this. And one exception I just want to give you, students. Percentage weight is concentration is dependent on the temperature, but weight percentage do not depend. Exception. It is all about exceptions. Got it? So NEET examination, you have to study NCERT textbook at granular level, micro level. You all agree with me? So we study this, but there is an exception. Okay, Anushka Roy, let's go ahead with the question here. There is a question here. So who is going to calculate normality of 0.098 weight by volume H2SO4? Now, come on. Nisha, I am expecting answer from everybody. Give the answer in the chat box. So in today's class, we just focus on concentration terms, and tomorrow's class complete Raoult law, and day after tomorrow's class colligative properties in abnormal molecular mass. So let us learn together. I am going to help you for your NEET examination preparation. Students, I am very serious. So those students who are attended the classes on a regular basis with me never failed their NEET examination. All the best, bacho. Come on, answer the question here. Answer the question. Who is going to give the answer? Anushka Roy is 3. Okay. Vishal Mukherjee, D. Aish Arya, C. Okay, C is not there. Sai Kumar, C. C is not there. 3. C is equal to 3. I can understand. Okay, that's good. So पहले आपका मैं आंसर दो आपको. It is going to be yes. It is going to be 3. Perfect answer. कैसे? Let me explain you. Normality is equal to परसेंटेज इंटू 10 by इक्विवेलेंट वेट. आपको जैसे मोलारिटी इज इक्वल टू परसेंटेज इंटू 10 by ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर वेट. सो परसेंटेज which is taken, you have to take weight by volume. अगर weight by weight लेने तो you have to multiply with its density as well. Okay, that's the important thing. So ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर वेट के जगह पर ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट वेट मान लो. So it is going to be 0.98 into 10 upon 49. कैसे इक्विवेलेंट वेट 49 कैसे? इक्विवेलेंट वेट is equal to molecular weight by n factor. Molecular weight of H2SO4 कितना? H2SO4 कितना? 98. Okay, 98. So by 2 is going to be 49. Fine? Yeah. So 2, how come 2 comes? That also I can say. So that is going to be 2H plus and SO4 2 minus. It is going to be 2. N is equal to 2. So when the acid is ionized, the N value can be calculated based on the number of H plus is given. Next question is here. A mole fraction of a solvent in aqueous solution of a solute is 0.8. The molality of the aqueous solution is. So I never compromise in giving questions to you. The quality questions only being discussed. So in this NEET series, 1000 most expected question series, we are giving a training to the students in such a way that we want to generate the result on YouTube platform. Yeah, that is possible because I am very lucky to have a students like you. Come on, Anushka Rai too. Okay, Arpit Pandey, Anushka Rai, Ayush. Okay, so what could be the answer? Okay, Ayush Arya too. Perfect, perfect. Now here is going to be 13.88. What are the answer is given, Nisha? Answer is correct. You are going to have mole fraction of solvent is 0.8 दिया गया, and number of moles is not if it should be is going to be 1. So mole fraction of solvent, mole fraction of solute is going to be 1, and it is going to be mole fraction of the solvent is given as 0.8. Mole fraction of solute is equal to 1 minus 0.8 is equal to 0.2. So molarity is equal number of moles of solute upon mass of the solvent. Water na, it is given water na, that is 0.8 into 18 upon 1000 is equal to, when you solve it, you are going to get 13.88 is the appropriate answer for this question. So my students are doing very good. Sai Kumar, yes, it is true. Next question, थोड़ा सा अलग मॉडल करना. Now this is a practice session. I am making my students to get practiced. And a mole fraction of a solvent and aqueous solution, that we did it. Okay, now what is the question? 100 ml of solution was made by adding 1.43 gram of Na2CO3.xH2. The normality of the solution is 0.1 normal. The value of X is. So students, come on. Your answer is going to be, take the molecular mass of Na2CO3.xH2O. Yeah, programmer. Ayush Arya. Okay, everybody. So you want to say 3 and you want to say Ayush 2, I want to say, so an answer is 10, right? Okay. So I am just watching how you give this. No, 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 no spamming in the class. No spamming in the class. Yes, Arpit Pandey too. I am going to ignore any unnecessary messages. Nisha is also 2. Okay. 2 means I can assume it is 10 is the x value, right? Anushka Rai. So to solve this kind of questions, you take the total molecular mass of Na2CO3.xH2O. So for that Na2CO3 your answer is appropriate, 10 is coming. Okay, let me solve it. So molecular mass of Na2CO3.xH2O comes to be Na2CO3 mass is 106 plus 18x. Why 18? Molecular mass of water is 18. So that equivalent weight is equal to molecular mass by 2. That is equal to 53 by plus 9x. That is important. Okay, that is normality का हिसाब से दिया ना, normality के हिसाब से दिया ना. So from there Arpit Pandey, that's good, and equivalent weight is equal to m by 2, that is 53.9x. So gram milli equivalence is equal to weight by gram equivalent weight. Weight is given 1.43 upon 53 plus 9x. Let us solve the x value. So from here you can get the normality. Normality is equal to 0.1 normal is equal to 1.43 upon 53 plus 9x by 0.1. So let's solve the x value. So taken that 1000 milliliter means equal to 0.1 liter. That is the reason why 0.1 likha hai par. So on solving, x is equal to 9x is 53 plus 9x is equal to 143 and 9x is equal to 90. X is equal to 10 is coming. So that my answer for this, your answer for this is going to be 10. Everybody done correct. So this is the procedure to solve this. Is a very famous question for the NEET examination. Any doubt you can ask us. Any doubt you can ask us. Now moving ahead, the molarity of 1.5 normal H3PO4 solution is. Who will answer this question? Who will answer this question? Fatafat. Programmer. Okay, very good. What is the answer for this question? Make it fast. So here normality is equal to molarity into n factor. है ना? Molarity is equal to normality by n factor. Now let us talk about H3PO4. So I just want to give you extra information for this. H3PO4 orthophosphoric acid, phosphorus double bond OH and OH and OH, N is equal to 3. H3PO3, it is going to be P double bond O and H and OH and OH, N is equal to 2. H3PO2, so P double bond O, here it is going to be hydrogen OH, so N is equal to 1. So इसका H3PO4 का N value कितना है? 3. So the molarity is equal to, ये कितने मिला? 1.5 by 3. Answer is equal to 0.5 molar. So my answer is going to be 3. So this is an extra edge. Everybody can make a note of it. Everybody can make a note of it. Anushka, fine. Ayush, Nisha, name is given programmer, and Sai Kumar. And your answer is 3. Looking into the another question, the number of millimoles of H2SO4 present in 5 liters of 0.2 normal H2SO4 solution. Expect this type of questions in the NEET examination. Exactly correlated with the NEET examination. This question is correlated with NEET. So in this 45-day series, if we discuss 30 questions in a day, 45 days you are going to discuss more than 1000 questions. Can't you expect 45 similar model of questions in the examination? Yes, definitely you are going to get it like this. Okay, now you are going to get what could be the answer. Want to say one. Bishal Bakarji, Ayush, Sai Kumar. How 1 is coming? Okay, let me check here. The answer is 1 only. Perfect, it is going to be 1. How we can see here? Normality is equal to molarity into n factor net value. For H2SO4, n is equal to kitna? 2. So here it is volume is given 5 liters and the concentration is given 0.2. The net valence of the H2SO4 n is equal to 2. This n is equal to 2. Okay, and now 0.2 is equal to molarity into 2. So molarity is equal to 0.1. Now put that value into the molarity formula and number of millimoles you can calculate from the number of moles. So number of moles you are going to get as 0.5 and millimoles में convert करने तो 1000 से multiply करना 0.5 into 1000 is going to be 0.500 millimoles. So this entire thing is given pre-typed version. Why? Because this is given as a notes in the PDF form. So once it is converted into PDF form, when the students are referring it, you will understand. So it doesn't mean that sir is not solving. So I am solving by step only, right? Fine, good, better. Next, number of millimoles. So it is also completed. Yes. Now volume of water that must be added to a mixture of 250 milliliters of 6 molar HCl and 650 milliliters of 3 molar to obtain 3 molar HCl solution. I will give you the hint. Molarity of the mixture is equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2 upon V1 plus V2 into volume of water. So this you need to calculate. IITs too. Anushka Roy, 4. And please like the session and look into the Telegram channel, link is given, you all click and join there so that the सारा के सारा session notes आपको PDF form में मिलेगा. And also please look into this NEET All India Test Series. Ayush Arya, fine. In the chat box, even in the pinned messages, even in the comment box it is given. So All India NEET Test Series, you just go through it once and you will enjoy the benefits of it, right? Okay, come on, what is the answer for this? What is the answer for this? It is 2. So when I say you said it is 2 and Anushka Roy, she said it is going to be 4. Let us see how it is going to be 4. You want to say BB? Okay. So you can see here molarity is equal to the same formula m1v1 plus m2v2 upon v1 plus v2 plus volume of water to be added. है ना? Vishal, you need not have to worry. These sessions are simply interactive sessions. When you give a wrong answer, we don't mind, but we will make you to correct it, right? Now you can see here, molarity is given, it is total 3 molar HCl result ka 250 into 6 plus 650 into 3, 250 ml ka molarity 6 ka, 650 ml ka molarity 3 ka, and upon 250 plus 650 plus volume of water. If you solve this volume of water, factor it coming to be 250 milliliters. Vishal, you correct it? Vishal, you correct it? That's correct. Now, molarity of 1 molar aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide whose density is 1.02. Molarity and okay, nahi kiya tha, okay, no problem, you just follow this question. Vishal, come on, you can do it, you can do it. Ayush, Arya, Nisha, you want to say 4, okay, fine. और थोड़ा आगे बढ़ो, थोड़ा सा. And the molarity of 1 molar aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide whose density is given, you have a relation between molarity and molality and density, right? So for that you just want to say, Ayush, you never go wrong, Anushka Roy, you never go wrong. That's the spirit you need to have. Okay, for that the relation is given. And my dear children, I just want to take you again to this solubility is there. Tomorrow we are going to solve this solubility, and before going to end the class today, we have totally discussed about concentration terms and worked on various moderate to high level questions from the NEET examination. So you all take these notes in the PDF form in the Telegram channel, you are going to get it. And finally, I just want to say NEET 2025 All India Test Series Pack, and which contain 27 AITS examination, 13 unit test, 4 part test and 10 grand test based on NEET syllabus. So 20 online NEET full syllabus mock tests are available, and 25 NEET topic wise PYQs and 3 physics chemistry books with video solutions on the app, and detailed solutions and performance report for each and everything, and also benchmarking your performance with Sri Chaitanya students. And bacho, this cost is around 5,999. On the special discount, when you apply YouTube 50 of coupon code, you are going to get it for 2,999, and it is itna saste India, all India mein koi dene wala hai nahi hai. So my dear students, in the description box it is there in the link for this NEET test series. Click it and you can all enjoy this. Okay, my dear students, and today we discussed a lot. In tomorrow we are going to discuss about Henry's law, Raoult's law and vapor pressure related questions and concept ek bar revise karne ke baad. And day after tomorrow we will be discussing about what? Colligative properties, abnormal molecular mass. And I'll ensure that previous year NEET examination questions also be included in that. Okay, so never miss the classes. Everybody take a pen and paper, write along with you some tricks also I just want to give you, and formulas and the questions every day 1:30 PM. Okay, so फिर मिलेंगे कल. Thank you very much. Signing off, Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry from Infinity Land YouTube channel. Bye bye.